How often do you need to manage your EA?
No, almost not. So actually, I think it's totally automated, 24 hours per 7 days. It's just ordinary strategies that can be found easily on the internet. But you see, I have many strategies, to be honest. The edge is that I take the back testing intensively. I can do my backtest automatically by computer software. And I think it is a big advantage of my trading.
In today's interview, you're going to meet Xing Tao, who has been trading for over 11 years and has passed the evaluation doing absolutely nothing. All he did was turn on his EA and the EA done absolutely everything. So it's a completely hands-off. This is the first time that I've met a trader who is 100% hands-off with his trading. And so he has developed this system. It works amazingly well. He is a swing trader. So make sure if you're interested in building an EA and you want to be funded, then make sure you check out one of our funded programs, because it allows you to trade as a swing trader and hold trades for over a week, 2 weeks, because you've got a year, you've got 6 months respectively for both those programs to pass our evaluation. And that's why we created it, for traders like you, like Xing Tao, to be able to find success. I'll leave the link in the description below. Right guys, well, enjoy the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and make sure you share the video. Hey Xing Tao, thank you for being with us today and sharing your story, and congratulations, you've passed the CTI evaluation.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. So you were telling me earlier that you've been trading for 11 years and you use an EA to do your trading. How did this strategy, or how did the development of the EA begin?
Yeah, I think I began developing my EA from 2011. At first, I encountered a lot of difficulties. And I think I did not have my collector mindset at the beginning. But you see, after 11 years, the evolvement or evolution, I think my EA has become quite steady. Thank you.
That is fantastic, because like you said, it's not easy, but you've spent over a decade developing this EA. How many versions of it have you actually created?
So I cannot remember how many coding modification or updating I've made. So I'm a amateur trader. I trade by my spare time.
Yeah.
But you see, yeah, and when I change my mindset, I will change my EA. So you see, in the beginning, I would like to earn a huge amount of money by a small balance. And gradually, I understand I should earn a little money by a large balance. Yeah.
That makes sense. That makes sense. And it shows the importance and the lessons that you've learned about risk management, that it's important to treat this as a marathon, not a sprint, using the compound effect to trade effectively. How do you manage your risk with your EA?
So actually, I have control my total risk for all my open positions. So all the risk in total will be within a small percentage, for example, 5% of the total equity. So I think it's reasonable.
Yeah, I noticed with your stats that you were risking on average less than 0.1%. Your average losses was less than 0.1%, and your largest loss was only 0.4%. So when you say 5%, is that like in total with all open positions?
Yeah. So
right.
Actually, I trade minimum lot for each position.
Yes, I did notice that. Is that because of the size of the account?
Yeah, and I traded 28 pairs and some metals like gold and silver.
Yes, I can see that. And how often do you need to manage your EA?
No, almost not. So actually, I think it's totally automated, 24 hours per 7 days. And actually, yeah, I think if I tried to manipulate it by myself, it always brings unpleasant consequences.
Yes, that's right. And so now you've learned your lesson. Just leave it running on its own, because that's why you've developed it. You've coded it to do a specific job, and that eliminates complete human emotion, human error.
I don't think so, but I think you see the human emotion is always there, even traded by EA. But you see, I just trade it in my spare time, so I have other jobs to be concentrated on. So I just left EA to do its work by itself.
Fantastic. So this is your balance. And in the beginning, the first 200 trades, you were pretty much around break even, just under. But then after the 200 trades, you started winning. Can you talk us through these trades? What trades were taking place here?
You see, because my trading time frame is about 4 hours. So my position will last for many days, maybe 20 days or even more than 1 month.
Yeah.
So it is always flat, you see. But when the trend comes, so you see, my equity the curve will increase. So
yes. Amazing. Yeah, because I can see here that with your largest win was $87.
Yeah.
And you had a maximum consecutive profit of $665. So this was a huge run on the trend, wasn't it? You must have been riding the trend. Do you remember which trades that was?
No, I don't have any idea, because it is automatic. But actually, when the trend comes, or if I reach the target of 9%, so the year will close all the positions itself. So it appears it has consequences of tradings.
Yes. Oh, that's so interesting. So talk me through, what type of strategy is the EA? Is it a breakout strategy? Does it use moving averages? What parameters have you coded it into the EA?
Yeah, it's just ordinary strategies that can be found easily on the internet. But you see, I have many strategies, to be honest. The edge is that I take the backtesting intensively. I can do my backtest automatically by computer software. And I think it is a big advantage of my trading. Yeah.
Absolutely. What software do you use for your backtesting?
MT5. So you see, when one strategy is not good for a specific pair, I would discard it. Yes, I just, you see, to organize to combine all these strategies and pairs together automatically by the software.
Amazing. And what advice would you give other traders who are interested in building an EA to become a funded trader, a profitable funded trader? And like you are now a CTI portfolio manager. What advice would you give those traders?
Actually, I think I cannot get give any advice to the traders. I should learn from the others. But I think, you see, the mindset is most important. You have to know the market, know the trading by practice, by many years in practice. So I have encountered many challenges on this issue. And our second one is the patience. Yeah, you should have patience. You cannot earn a large sum in a short time. So I think you should lower your expectation. I think to a realistic level.
Yes.
So that's my advice.
Love that advice. Yes, it's very good advice. Thank you for sharing. And what's been your experience with City Traders Imperium and the funding program, the conditions? How was the experience for you?
Yeah, actually, I find the City Imperium is a good fit to my trading style. And you see, I'm a swing trader, and I like the conditions set up by your team, and you see your support and your rules are very good. I think, I will suggest the other swing traders to work for you. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, Xing Tao. And thank you for sharing those advice, your experience as a trader. You've been trading now for 11 years plus. So we can definitely learn a lot from you as well. And we have done so. I've really enjoyed this interview, and I wish you the best of luck. Well, you pretty much just have to turn on the EA and just let it do its thing whilst you sit back, maybe go on holiday.
Thank you for having me, and I look forward to working for you in a long time. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing your performance. Hopefully, when you pass the next stage, we can meet again and we'll have another a meeting like this.
Okay, thank you for your kind words.
You're welcome. Take care.